Now then, it's a bit cold today. I'm on a vauxhall insignia 2018, and it's got this cool fault. Let's see it. So I've got the key here, so I'll depress the clutch. Starts up. From what I was told, it drains the battery overnight, so it's parasitic draw. What else I was told is you turn it off and it doesn't turn off, so engine power reduced. So I'll power it off, lights go off, engine's still running. Turn the ignition on, press the clutch to start, engine's still running. So what you got to do is install it. Right, so I'm going to scan it and see what codes there is. So the ignition's off, door's closed, interior lights off, radio's still on. You can just see there's a park light. Oops, wrong way. I've just scanned the vehicle with ignition off, so I'm kind of thinking the dashboard is still awake. So that's how parasitic draw. So for some reason it's not turning off. So without turning the ignition on, which the ignition's not on, I want to see if we can scan it. Manual transmission. 12.8 volts. So this could be a CAN bus issue. Advanced parking system with a... oh, I have no idea what it's got. Let's put them on equipped. Parking assist module. I don't know any. I've literally just got to this vehicle, so I don't know anything about it. No idea. So everything's powered up, so it's like the ignition's still on. There's a few faults there. These could be dead battery faults because the battery's dying, so that's what I surmise they are. I'll let that run through. Right, so that's scanned through without turning the ignition on. So let's do a report. Incorrect engine calibration detected. Electronic brake control. Powertrain control module indicator traction control malfunction. Control module power circuit low. Power circuit low again. Restraints. So like I say, some of these could be control module communication chassis expansion, CAN bus off malfunction, invalid data. Right, so I will save this report and then we'll delete the codes. Right, so that's everything deleted. So we've got a pass on everything. So I'm going to start her up. So we have a traction control light on. So exit out of that. Auto scan. So we'll let that run through and then see what happens. So I've just got one code for the ABS, but there's a message come up on the dash. Engine malfunction, power reduced. So we'll need to go into that as well. Engine power reduced. So I'll just go report because it's quicker. Powertrain control module indicate traction control malfunction. And then we'll go into the power control. No idea. Voltage is quite high, no faults detected. So we can see that I've pressed the button and the dash is out again. But if we have a look here, run crank command and auxiliary ignition run relay. If we press it, accessory power mode indicator command 100%, turn it off, it's gone, on 100%. But so we're seeing this at the body control module, so there is a signal from the button to power the vehicle down, but it's not getting to the ECU or to wherever it goes. So we need to look into that. So I know now that the switch is working, so we can rule that out. So I'm going to stall the vehicle. And then I want to lock the doors and see if everything powers off, if the dash powers off. So I pulled off the trim off the side, got into the kick panel, first plug come to, some water flicked out at me, so there's obvious signs of water. This is the left hand side panel, so I need to get this panel out, I need to clean that up and see if there's any broken wires. Right guys, so I've cleaned out the plug, I've put it back together. So I've got some little cleaners there. Battery's dying on my vauxhall. So what I wanted to check, I've got the thing running now. Open, then close the passenger side window. Bonnet open, which it is. What we want to check to see if the vehicle stopped. So I'm going to press the button and the vehicle stopped. So that's good. Start her up again. She's starting up. Yeah, it's going through its checks, so I'm going to back out of this. And then what we're going to do is delete the codes and then check to see what's present. Well, what I'll do is I'll run through the codes again. I'll close all the doors. And then we'll delete them and see what comes back. Right guys, so I've deleted all codes. I'm going to start the vehicle. So she starts up. We'll see what the dash does. No errors on the dash. We'll stop the vehicle. It's stopped. Start her up again. Just the bonnet open. And I think that is it. So we'll do a full system scan again, see if anything comes up. It's passed. So I'll let that run through and I'll bring you back. Right, so that's gone through, it's all passed. Everything's working as it should. No faults have come up, no engine fault, and the vehicle turns off. So, happy days. So guys, it's a fix. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later.